Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the KangaMoon token. Now recently I uploaded a information video about the KangaMoon token, talking about their pre-sale, basically what is just the info on the token, what it's all about, all that type of stuff. And a couple people were saying that this token could potentially be a scam. So just recently I started just checking out audits, KYCs, all sorts of security information on tokens, and we're going to do a few of these videos here within the next maybe week or so, looking at audits, seeing if this token has any potential scam risks, if there's anything wrong with the audits or the smart contracts or the web page or whatever. We're going to go over the security on the KangaMoon token to see if there's any potential scam risk that you should be worried about. And we're going to do that all in just 1 second. So before we do that, though, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, KangaMoon. So some people were concerned about this token. You know what concerns me about tokens like that, or just any sort of pre-sale like this, is when they make you sign up. You know what I mean? Like crypto in general, especially when you're thinking about something like Bitcoin, is the whole idea, I mean, one of the original ideas here, is for it to be decentralized and to not, give up your information and data and stuff like that. So on these pages, they make you sign up, which is super annoying to me, which is why I don't do any of these types of, this is just my opinion, but people can do whatever they want, but I am not going to give any random page my email address even, because then they're going to, not always, but a lot of these pages will spam you with whatever afterwards. Could be any sort of email they want to spam you with after they have your email information. Sometimes they ask your full name, sometimes they ask your phone number, all that type of stuff. So anything that says sign up, I'm probably not going to do, but that's just me personally, but you guys can do whatever you want. I don't like these chat boxes that are automated too. It's like, you should be able to always speak with a real person. Now, they do have support sections, contact email. Now, I haven't tried to do that. So basically, they have in their frequently asked questions, it says, is the smart contract audited? It says, yes, the smart contract has been audited by Solid Proof. Full details are available by clicking on the Solid Proof logo above. So that's what you have to do to check out their audit. Looks like they just have the one audit. Now, they don't have a KYC, and when it says the team on their page, they just have 4 kangaroo pictures, fake names, and job titles. So it's like, why even put that on the page? That's another thing that annoys me a lot about crypto pages, when they go the team and then it's like cartoon pictures. It's like, don't even do it then, That annoys me. They have a contract address on here. It says 100% secure. But, their audit is not 100% secure. So right away, that's kind of like misleading to say that there's 100% secure protection on their audit, but then, or on their contract address, but then their audit is not 100%. So I don't like that either. It's kind of like, when food, it's like all natural, but it's like, what does that mean? You know what I mean? Does that mean you just picked it and gave it to me? Or like, did you do anything to this? What does natural mean? Anyway, so you can view the audit. So click on that. And again, it's not perfect. So it says 1 low issue in the licensing and 1 issue in the optimization. Now they passed a couple things on here. So it says critical, high, and medium issues are all passed. Informational issues are passed. So that's good there. So if you want to learn basically all the info about the pre-sale, check out my last video if you actually want to learn like what is the project all about. That's not what this video is about. This is even the audit here, it says not financial advice. Always do your own research. That's funny that the audit tells you that too. But yeah, so basically for this audit, they go over static analysis, dynamic analysis, symbolic execution, and SWC check. So it says KangaMoon is not your average cryptocurrency. It's a fun, exciting project, yada, yada, yada. So it says no critical issues found. So there's no high or medium issues found. It says contract owner cannot mint new tokens, cannot blacklist addresses. Contract owner cannot set high fees. Contract cannot be locked. Tokens cannot be burned. Ownership is renounced. So maybe that's what they mean by 100% secure, is that the ownership is renounced. But that's not the only issue with contracts. There could be other things, right? So, and also this isn't like this most extensive audit possible. So a lot of these tokens, I'm not saying this one did this, but a lot of these tokens can see what certain audits will audit for. And then maybe, you know, they're like, oh, well, we have these other issues and this audit only audits for that, so we can get away with these things. So keep in mind, some tokens may even do that too, is like get specific audits where they know that there's going to be minimal warnings, and then not get other audits where they know, because you could pay for extensive audits, like say a CERTIC audit, and I believe Hacken may be more extensive than other audits. So if a token has a full CERTIC audit, then it's a little bit better than some other audit companies. So let's get to the warnings here. So first issue, the low issue, floating pragma solidity version. It says L2. Adding the constant version of solidity is recommended, as this prevents the unintentional deployment of a contract with an outdated compiler that contains unresolved bugs. So that sounds sketchy right there. Unresolved bugs. And it doesn't specify what bugs, right? So that could be sketchy. And then it says one issue, public function that could not be declared an external function. And it says use the external attribute for functions never called from the contract. So those seem to, even though they say low risks, like those seem to be issues. You know what I mean? They seem to be big enough issues that you should be concerned about. Now, does it mean that this token is 100% going to be a scam? I mean, I don't know. But, you know, some people believe it is. So just, you know, take it into account. If you look at my last video where I just talked about what this token is, a lot of people were saying that this could be a scam. So just be aware of that. One thing is, some people will also see, like I've noticed this before, you might see similar looking web pages, and you might see, you know, similar looking cartoons and go like, oh, well, this one token was a scam, so this one looks similar, so this one could be a scam. And sometimes those people are right just by like seeing what the crypto page looks like compared to others. But then also I've had a lot of these pre-sales that kind of look like this too, and people say, this is going to be a scam, and then the token just comes out and it's on exchanges and it just gets listed fine. So who knows? But then sometimes it's a rug and, you know, it's hard to tell. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments. There is risks. There is risks. So keep that in mind. But let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.